Hi everybody, I thought I'd just do a quick video just to explain what Fluffy Puffy is and how we use it. It's a dimensional paint which when heated expands up to 5 times its size. It's perfect for all your winter and Christmas cards, but not just for that. It's perfect on the sea waves as sea foam. You can use it on things like your beers, so you could put nice fluffy foam on your beer. Things like icing on cupcakes. There's so many uses for it. You can use it on card, paper, wood. In fact, there isn't anything I haven't found it won't work on yet. So I'll show you a few quick examples and how to use it. You can apply Fluffy Puffy Stuff either in lines if you're doing branches. So just follow the branches that you'd like to do. Every now and again just give the nozzle a wipe with a bit of tissue. You can apply dots and spots, but just remember a little goes a long way. You can also apply it if, like on the beer glasses and the buns, you can apply it in a nice swirly motion. And when you do this, obviously then it'll look like it's been hand piped icing. But it's totally up to you how you'd like to apply it. I always keep a bit of tissue in my hand because sometimes when you're working with it, you can just use it to wipe the nozzle as you go. So for most general things, just gently squeeze the tube and you'll get a small dot out. Now a little goes a long way, so I've just put a tiny dot there, but next to it I'll put a larger one. You can use it for freeform if there's any areas that you just want to do yourself. So say if I was to do a nice branch here. And we'll just pop one here. So what we'll do is heat this up and I'll show you the best way to make it expand. Always make sure that you let your heat gun, or if you're using a hairdryer, use it on the hottest setting it can go. But with a heat gun, allow it to come up to temperature first. Then all we're going to do is just start to heat the Fluffy Puffy. And if you rotate it and heat it from both sides, it will give a more uniform expansion. Allow a few seconds for it to cool down, but then as you can see we've got some lovely shape dimension now. So like I say, it's perfect for all your winter and Christmas cards, snowmen, snow on trees, branches, but it's also perfect for all your other sorts of crafting.